This is the Bosch 18-volt compact drill we're using to build two shelf units for our living room. The one we have is model number GSR18V-190, and we've actually had this for well over 5 years. We like this drill because it's very lightweight and very comfortable to grip, and it does the job whether we are pre-drilling holes like we did here, or whether we're driving screws into our wood panels. It has a half-inch keyless chuck with auto lock so we can easily change our bits, and you can use pretty much any standard drill bit as well. There are also two speed settings with a maximum of 1700 RPMs. And if you happen to be working in a dark space that is not well lit, it also has a built-in LED light. Here we're also using it with a Milwaukee bulldozer, and it's even powerful enough to create medium-sized and large-sized holes in our wood board for our media cables. We've also used this drill when we built our kitchen island and also to remove and install all our kitchen and washroom cabinets.